Hello everybody, this is Amin from SoyChincha.com and today we're testing the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus Super Slow-Mo mode with water balloons. Not now! So the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has one of the most sophisticated cameras in a smartphone ever. And it also comes with a 960 frames per second super slow-mo mode. So we're trying to figure out what that means and what cool shots you can do. We're trying to also figure out what kind of examples, and we thought of, hey, maybe water balloon would be the best. And here we are in the field somewhere in Petaling Jaya, testing out the super slow-mo mode, 960 frames per second on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, right here with SoyChincha.com. Okay, enough or what? Okay.